How to add Hostinger business email to your Gmail. In this video, I will show you how to connect your custom email with Gmail step by step in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Start by opening your Gmail on your desktop. And once you're logged in, click the gear icon on the top right and then select See All Settings. Step 2. In the settings menu, click on Accounts and Import, and here you will find options to send and receive mail from other accounts. Step 3. Scroll down to check mail from other accounts, and then click Add a Mail Account, and then a pop-up will appear. Enter your full Hostinger email address and then click Next. Step 4. Gmail will ask for your email server details. For Hostinger, the POP server is usually pop.hostinger.com port 995, and then check the box for Always use a secure connection, and then enter your full email and password, then click Add Account. Step 5. After adding the account, Gmail will ask if you want to send emails from this address. Choose Yes and then fill in your name and Hostinger email. Use smtp.hostinger.com port 465 and SSL. Enter your full email and password again and then click Add Account. Step 6. Gmail will send a verification or confirmation code to your Hostinger email. Log into your Hostinger webmail or wherever your email is hosted, copy the code and paste it to your Gmail. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.